Hey everybody, welcome to Walker Bee Ranch. We've had some poor weather around here. I mean, it's been semi-warm, but it's been rainy. I did, however, have some sunshine this weekend, so I'll show you what I've been working on. Built some nuke boxes. I got 11 over there. Lids, a few bottom boards built. Got some more lids right there that I bought from Blythewood Bee Company. The real reason I wanted to do this video today was, you guys know that I've been I had the Swarm Commander Challenge, and I've been feeding these bees, just the wild bees, and not sure what's going on today. I've been doing it for a while. I've never had this happen. I'm gonna show you today, and maybe some of you experienced beekeepers can chime in and let me know what's happening. This is gonna be a short video, but there's a girl right there. She's trying to land on me. She did. She was flying around. But to let you know, I've never seen this, so you guys let me know what you think about this and tell me what's going on. So I've been feeding these bees for a while now, a few weeks, and I've had water or the sugar syrup out longer than that, but now all of a sudden today they decided they wanted to clean the hive. So you can see stuff on the ground there where they've started cleaning out the hive. I don't know what that means, guys. There's a big chunk they did there. This one has a screen bottom board on it, so a lot of it has fallen through the bottom there that they've been cleaning out. So the question is, why? Why are they deciding to clean my hive out? I don't know. Are they planning to move in? Is that what they're doing? Cleaning it up to move in? Or are they just being, I hate to say nice, but I mean, are they just trying to clean as they go? I mean, I don't know. Like I said, I've had this in there for a while. And this is the first time I've noticed. Now, this is the first time it's happened. First time I noticed, but it's also the first time it's happened where they've gone in there and started cleaning the hive out. So, not sure what that is. So please leave a comment in the comments and let me know what you guys think, because there's some guys that have been doing this longer than me. What you think's happening? Both of those hives were empty. They did have some old frames in it and some old comb. These are the two from my video about the wax moth damage, and I can very clearly see where it looks like there's some old maybe some old lard. I mean, I don't know, it just looks like wax and stuff. So I don't know what they're cleaning out, but they're definitely cleaning stuff out. Let me set that right there. Oh, right there. And they're definitely cleaning stuff out of this hive. Same with this one, but it definitely underneath, you can see where there's more little white stuff. So I don't know why. That's the question. Why? Why are they cleaning this out? Maybe you guys know. They're trying to squeeze in that crack right there, so I'm gonna have to try to put duct tape or something on that. And you know, I don't know why it's doing that, guys. If you guys know, definitely drop a comment. You know, please like, share, subscribe with people that may know if you don't know. And let's see what's going on. Look at that. There's one right there, little girl. They've been checking this hive out too. It's got old frames in it. So I'm a little bit perplexed on what's happening, but they're definitely checking that hive out and cleaning it. And not sure exactly why. Matter of fact, I have no idea why, because that's the first time I noticed it. That's the first time I've I've actually seen it happening. All I did was scrape out the larvae and stuff, but they're definitely pulling stuff out and dropping it from the inside of the hive, which doesn't make too much sense to me, because it's just got a like a Tupperware container with pine straw and some bark in it for them to get to the sugar water. But the white stuff, I don't know why that's in there, but they're doing little semicircles on the board here, going around. Let's see, we can checking out the camera right there, little girl. But these ones right there, they're kind of like doing a orientation, but not really. They're not waggling or anything. They're just cleaning each other or whatever. But yeah, so that's it. Real short video, guys. If you know, let me know. I'll post this up, and you know, thanks for watching Walker Bee Ranch, and looking forward to hearing your answers. So thanks. Have a great day.